The SAT sucks, and here are the 3 main reasons why. Number 1, the SAT isn't a true measure of intelligence or ability. We've all heard the quote, "Everybody is a genius, but if you judge a fish by its ability to climb a tree, it will live its whole life believing that it is stupid." And you may have seen the picture about animals taking standardized tests that aren't really fair. The test tries to be fair by being standardized, but people aren't standard, so this isn't a true way to measure someone's ability or intelligence. Instead, the test rewards people who are good at solving equations and are good at reading passages and interpreting information, and it punishes everyone else. So if you're a great artist, it's not going to show up on the test. If you're a great public speaker, it's not going to show up on the test. Number 2, your admissions chances are boiled down to a 3-hour test. You may have worked hard all high school, staying up late to study for tests, or staying after school to join clubs and participate in those clubs. And what's even worse is you may have spent hours studying for the test, preparing for the SAT, working with other people, and working with tutors. However, all of this doesn't really weigh into the SAT score. Instead, all they care about is how you score on that 3-hour test. You could have had a bad day and just scored poorly, or you could have had a version of the test that was harder for you. All of the work you've done in high school and all the work you did for the SAT doesn't actually matter. All that matters to the admissions officers is your score. And number 3, the test isn't actually standard. For all the talk about the test being a standardized test, you would hope that everyone had an equal chance of doing well, but that's not the case. The plain truth is that those with money and those with access to more resources do better. So you may be a smart student and someone who works hard, but if you're going up against someone who's also smart, also works hard, and has more money, they're probably going to do better. This is because people with more money can go to better schools, they have access to more resources, and they can hire a tutor to help them do better on the test. Your chances of doing well on the SAT aren't actually standard. On this channel, I provide free SAT math tutoring to help you overcome the SAT and get into the school of your dreams, so subscribe for more SAT math help.